Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat is over there wondering why my door is closed. Yeah. Anyway, she cannot stand a closed door. None of my cats can stand a closed door. They just think it's the end of the world. Today is not about cats though. Today I got my replacement Stitch Fix shirt. Y'all remember that? I did that video and I said I was going to exchange that shirt. So we got the bigger size shirt today. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, this is a try before you buy clothing subscription. Normally in a box you would get 5 items. Then you have 3 days to try everything on. Each box is $20, but that $20 is credited back to you if you keep anything in the box. If you keep 4 items or more, you get 10% off of that box. If you use my link below, you get 20% off of your order. So this, like I said, is an exchange. I bought a bunch of stuff on their Freestyle. They were having a big 70% off sale. And one of the shirts just looked a little too tight. So I thought, well, I'll go up a size. I'll see how it goes. It's actually going to be a 2X instead of an extra large, which normally I'm a large to an extra large, but this shirt just fit tight. And I thought it was really cute. We're going to see if it works or not. This bag is not resealable, but I just tape them back shut if I send anything back. They do send you a return label if you do want to return it. That is in there. And here is the top. There's also a little thing that tells you how to return it if you want to. I love their Freestyle. It's like having a whole store dedicated to the stuff you'll like. It's so good, and it's put together in outfit form for you. So really cute. Let me pull up what this shirt is for you. Hang on. All right, so this is the Love Ella Ainsley collared crop knit top. Yeah, it's a crop, but I don't think it'll be too short for me. I paid $16.97 for it. We're gonna try this top on. It is ribbed. It has the collar up top, which I thought just gave it a little bit of fun to a tank top. It is 95 cotton and 5 spandex, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, line dry, low on iron if needed. But I just think it's cute. By the way, this top collar part isn't ribbed, but everything else is. So let's try it on and see if it fits better. I will do like a side-by-side comparison of me trying both of them on, so you can tell me which one you thought fit better, or if you don't think either of them fit at all. I love to hear y'all's comments and see what you think, so I appreciate that. I'd also love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really appreciate it. Also, share with your friends. Tell everybody about it. Encourage them to subscribe. I really thank you so very much if you do that. And don't forget that little notification bell. I'll see y'all back in a minute with what I'm wearing today and trying on this top. So here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing some Wit and Wisdom jeans. I'm wearing this Coin 1804 top that is so very comfortable. I can't remember where I got this. This is from Box, and these my sister got me. So let's try on some clothes. So here's the sized up top, and I like it a lot better. It's not as tight. It does still stick out a little right here, but that's because I'm so big. It's not as tight here. It's still tight for a 2X, but I think it's cute. What do y'all think? Do you think it's better than the smaller size on me? Do you think I still need a bigger size? If I go up much bigger, I don't think it'll work up here, because this is just a little extra right here. But I think I can pull it off. I think I can make it work. Y'all let me know what you think. We are back, y'all. Me and Miss Cali Cat. Am I right, Miss Cali Cat? Yeah. Hiya. Oh, it's stretchies. All right, y'all. So, what do you think? Do you think this one fits? I'm just not 100% sold on it. I mean, it was still a little tight in the belly, not as loose as I would have liked, and it was looser up here. So I'm just not 100% sure I still want to keep the shirt, or if I just want to send it back and get the money back. I mean, it wasn't expensive. What, $16? I like the way the top looked though, and I love the color. So I really need y'all's help making my decision. Let me get, you know, I petted the cat. I gotta let the fur fly. I can't tell you how many videos, y'all, I have watched fur floating, and it just makes me feel like my house is filthy. But praise the Lord, I have a very good friend who is helping me deep clean my house. We've been doing that for the past 2 days. Thank you very much, my sweet friend Mary. I love you. So here is the top in question. Should it stay or should it go back to Stitch Fix? I want to know what y'all think in the comments below. Let me know. I mean, it just might not work for my body. And if it doesn't, that's okay. We'll be a little sad, but I got a closet full of clothes I can still wear. So tell me below what you think while you're down there. I'd love it if you do all the wonderful YouTube things, pressing all of those buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free, and it means the world to me and to Miss Callie Cat. Please also tell your friends about the channel. Encourage them to subscribe as well. I would absolutely love that. Friends, family, cousins, that nephew you don't want to talk about, tell them all about it. I don't know where that came from. It just popped out of my mouth. And there is a little button down there that is a bell. That is a notification bell. It does give you a notification for when I put new videos out. If you press it, I really appreciate it if you do. If you want to give a tip to me as the creator, there is a super thanks button for that. So I will see y'all back later. Thank you so very much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Y'all, I hope the rest of it is wonderful, and God bless.